Yucatan's capital is the perfect location to begin your journey and exploration of the state. Founded in 1542 and based on the ancient Mayan city of To, it is known for its diverse cultural and artistic selections, as well as its colonial historic downtown with European architectural influences and outstanding French style that can be seen in the city's most important avenue, Paseo de Montejo. Specialized tourist media recently named it the best small city in the world and the best convention venue. The city is the Yucatan's peninsula's most major cultural tourism distribution hub, with over 5,000 rooms in hotels to suit all budgets, conference and exposition halls, over 300 restaurants serving a variety of cuisines, and a diverse range of cultural and tourist attractions. It has a wide range of cultural, historical, and recreational choices, as well as wonderful food. As a result, we recommend to start your vacation in the City Historic Center, where you may wander and appreciate a wide range of colonial buildings, museums, galleries, theaters, outdoor cafes, pubs, traditional clothing, parks, hotels, and restaurants serving national and foreign cuisine. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. The city has two faces, the old historical center and the new modern center. Lots of residents love the modern center, where not everything is catered for tourists. The historical city center of Mérida is a lovely chaos, full of surprises. There are many old haciendas to be explored and you never know what to expect. There is a surprise behind every door. There are lots of bars, museums, and many more cool things to do in Mérida that you wouldn't expect in the first place. The local cuisine is known for its flavor and tradition. Mérida can accommodate to even the most sophisticated appetites, with over 300 restaurants to choose from. You may discover a variety of restaurants and marketplaces, ranging from traditional to fine dining, where old Mayan techniques were used, indigenous foods, and a unique baking and cooking technique involving the burying of clay pots with dry wood, which offers distinct scents and flavors.